Cooking is one of the most important skills for independent living. At RNC, our students are given a tailored programme of independent living skills, known as ILS. ILS lessons provide support with everything from money management to supermarket shopping, and from cooking skills to laundry. Students are also taught about nutrition and budgeting. Everyone is taught techniques to help them use the kitchen safely, and students are introduced to a wide range of skills and specialist and non-specialist gadgets which help make life easier for those with visual impairments. From talking thermometers to bump-ons on dials, and from egg cookers to one-cup kettles, the skills our students learn can be transferred to different recipes. Cooking is a great way to save money and a good way for people to come together and enjoy good food. It helps our students prepare for life as confident, sociable and independent young people.